is take the filter sock out.
My other rock flower, he wanted to move over to his buddies.
So something's blocked.
Hey guys, I got a couple problems going on in the 20-gallon I'm going to show you today. I have some things I want to show you in the 5-gallon tall, so let's get into it.
I noticed something's wrong with my overflow. See how there's no drop off in water level? What that means is it's not skimming the surface here. So something's blocked from between this compartment across into this compartment somewhere. It's blocked. It's slowing the water down enough. My first thought is that it's an old filter sock that's clogged, not allowing water to pass through. So I'm going to take that out and see if that works first. Just take the filter sock out. Now if that instantly goes down lower, or goes down within a minute or two, then I know that's the problem. Yeah, it's actually gone down a little bit, but not that much. So my guess is there's still something clogged somewhere else. You can also see how the water level is raised quite a bit because my sensor, which is normally right on the surface, is about an inch below. So something's blocking the water flow. My first thought is to go down in here, if I can reach my hand in, to see if there's anything clogging the bottom here, and I don't feel anything. So it's not there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my refugium compartment divider over, and that comes up here. So the other option is that it might be my return pump. Twist this and pull it out. This isn't bad at all. What the heck is going on here? There's nothing clogged in here. What could be causing that? Water box has these thin baffles. They go down and they're only around this wide for water to flow up. So maybe it's in there where I can't reach my hand. There's one here and there's one down in here. Alright, here's some rigid tubing. I'm just going to go right down inside. Nope, see how? It's the bottom. I don't feel anything down there. Let's try this side. Nope. Oh. No. Huh. I just don't quite know, guys. Okay, I think I fixed it. I believe what the problem was in the return pump. The elbow and the hose were quite clogged with algae and detritus and stuff. So it's flowing quite rapidly through this area. I might add, with this water box 20, the higher up you fill your water level, the less volume of water falls over, meaning this water in here raises up too. When you have it lower, it creates more of a waterfall in the center compartment and creates a lot more noise, water noise. So I like to fill it up as high as I can, still achieve surface skimming, and have it as quiet as it can be. I'm going to try it without a filter sock, see if it affects the clarity, and see if it was only the return pump and not partly the filter sock that was causing the slowdown in water flow through this section. I can see the flow just coming out a lot more and creating a nice turbulent surface. It was almost to a point where there wasn't turbulence on the surface. Alright, you won't believe what happened, guys. Remember I put the rubber band on that leather coral onto that piece of rock rubble? I believe I put it on a little too tight, because what happened is it severed the leather and it fell off. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it in the rock rubble as a backup and see if it'll attach. I have it facing forward in the low flow area so I can observe it, and we'll see how it goes this way. I did a rather large trim on my Kenya tree, as I said I would. So you can see 4 nubs there. There you go. I cut 4 stalks off, and within a day or two they just turn into a stub and the Kenya tree just goes back to normal. I'm really trimming a lot on this. This is growing like a weed, like caulerpa. So everything's doing really well in this tank. This is the 5-gallon tall. My other rock flower moved. He wanted to move over to his buddies. He's never been with them all this time, and now he's there. So it's all 3 of them together there. All right, guys, take care now. See you on the next one. Have a great day.